we have two hujjah. One is aql, one is wahy as we find it in the Quran and Sunnah. But you need to be equipped with ilm so that you can benefit from aql and wahy. And the best way is to learn from ulama. Ulama who are established, recognized, and committed. It's not everyone alim. It's not everyone someone from whom we can take our religion. Even in the time of Imams, Shia had this question. In Muharram, I mentioned in lectures, that, for example, a person says to Imam Raza alayhi salam, I cannot always come and ask you questions about my religion. What should I do? Imam alayhi salam referred him to people like Zakaria ibn Adam. Says he is al-ma'moonu ala ad-din wa ad-dunya. You can refer to him. Even Imam is alive, but refers. Imam Sadiq alayhi salam the same. So you should always, this is a very simple principle, helps you a lot. In every situation, do sincerely your best. For you in London, what is the most reliable source of knowledge? Do it, use it. Allah doesn't expect from you to go to Allama Tabatabai or to go Ayatollah Jawadi Amuli. But for example, if there is something, a book from them, a lecture from them, a student from them, I don't know, the best that you have. Even I have this belief that I can share with you, but I'm not saying you must accept it. I have this belief that if we use our local scholars to the best that we can, either Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upgrades them for us, or through them He gives to us what people who have higher scholars may not get. If you have a local Imam Zadeh, a place that a son of Imam is buried. For example, Lady Ma'sooma, which is special. If you really benefit from it, Allah would give you through that what may not give to people who are next to Imam Ali. What is important Islamically is to benefit from what Allah has made available for you. Keep using that. If Allah wants to give you more through that, His hands are open. But if we don't appreciate what we have and complain why we don't have more, you get nowhere. So I believe there is no, blockage. And alhamdulillah, today we have, mashallah, lots of resources, lots of opportunities for learning. And you can be here but receive lots of grace and provision from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If that's the best thing you can do. Of course, if someone can go and learn from Qom or Najaf, that's another issue. But suppose I cannot go there, but I do my best in this context, Allah would help you. You do your best and leave to Him the rest.